Hello, everybody. How are you doing, guys? I just want to remind you that we have an exam tomorrow, Saturday, at 10 a.m. So please report to the classroom at quarter to 10 a.m. on Saturday tomorrow. And the classroom is C135, which is simply across from the lobby. Just take the stairs, go up to the first floor, and you will find C135. Please, you must bring your laptop. Please recharge your laptop. And don't forget to disable Grammarly and disable the screensaver. Okay? Don't forget that we're starting with the listening summary, then the writing. We're going to start at 10 a.m. sharp, so you have to report to the classroom at quarter to 10 on Saturday, tomorrow. The exam duration of writing is 80 minutes, and for listening, 45 minutes. We will use exam.net. Please bring your papers and pen to take notes. Don't forget that the writing is going to be graded according to the writing rubric with 5 standards or parameters. Content is 20%. You have to write at least 500 words. Don't forget organization is 25%. The essay is made up of 4 to 5 paragraphs. And the most important thing is to give a clear thesis statement which outlines the whole essay. You have to provide transition signals or connectors. You have to end the body paragraph with texts, with a summary, and you have to build up the idea. Vocabulary is formal. Don't use very, to, so, don't use people. You should say some people. You have to revise your grammar. Grammar is 30%. Avoid subject-verb agreement. Never say, for example, internet help. You mean internet helps. You have to be careful with the mechanics, spelling, and capitalization. When you start your introduction, you have to provide the background statement, provide your opinion, and the thesis statement is very important. The thesis statement is about the title of body 1 and body 2. And finally, conclusion, you have to provide your opinion and the summary, and you can provide suggestion or prediction. Don't forget that at the very end, you have to proofread texts, language, capitalization. Okay, so once again, I just want to show you how the exam would look like tomorrow when you go and take the exam on. Of course, it's locked out, so we can say internet request unlock, and you have 30 seconds to unlock the exam. And of course, as you can see, you have the writing prompt with 80 minutes, 500 words on the left, and you're going to write everything on the right. Please, you're all required to get a paper and pen with you tomorrow in the exam. Tomorrow, the exam starts at 10 with the listening and then writing. Okay, here we go. Now, let's check this. You see, this is the practice composition writing. 80 minutes, you should brainstorm first. You have the writing prompt. According to the United States Agency, only 20% of Egypt's working age women are participating in the economy. What are some steps that government and or other organizations could take to increase women's participation in the workforce? You have to read the prompt quite well, then write your draft. Of course, you can write it on a separate sheet, and then you provide the essay over here. The good news is that on exam.net, you've got the spelling checker. So you would find exam.net helping you with the spelling, but you've got to be very careful with capitalization and grammatical mistakes. At the very end of the exam, you should click submit exam. And please, before you submit the exam, you should call me to come over and check everything is fine. And then you simply submit the exam. Okay, now let's move on to the listening summary. Don't forget that the listening summary, you will listen to the video or the TED Talk twice. And as you can see, this is the listening rubric with the comprehension 50%. And don't forget, the most important thing is to answer summary questions. Please, you have to answer the summary questions. because these are the prompt questions that you should answer during your summary. Don't provide unnecessary information. You don't have to provide lots of details. You will listen twice. The most important thing is to provide the topic sentence in the video entitled da 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 by da da da, comma, he or she discusses what. And then when you explain the points, you have to say the speaker adds, the speaker moves. In addition, for example, finally, the speaker ends her speech by recommending, suggesting, so you have to provide a paragraph form. Of course, this is a sample of the essay with the introduction, body one, body two, conclusion, and this is a sample of the summary. You see, this means what? According to Jobs, despite this, she explains what happens later on, finally. As you can see, the summary is paragraph form. Okay, my very last tip before you, I want you, please, sleep. I don't want you to stay over all night. Please, please, guys. My last tips. Bring your papers and pencils or pens. Sleep well. And don't forget to have your breakfast. See you guys in classroom 135 at 10 a.m. sharp. You should report to the classroom at 9:45 a.m. Please don't be late. Don't be late. Calm down, and you must sleep, 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 sleep. And don't forget, always have to check the organization of the essay and be aware of any grammatical mistakes. Proofread, punctuation, comma, full stop. Proofread, subject-verb agreement. Provide a clear thesis statement. Remember the outline of the essay. Always remember introduction, body one, body two, conclusion. Provide a variety of connectors. In the beginning, however, in addition, later on, the last sentence in the body paragraph could be hence, therefore. Okay, don't forget you have to proofread and answer the listening summary questions. Provide connectors. Finally, she moves on. She ends her speech by saying, read sample essays, and once again, manage your time. Manage your time. Please don't provide less than 500 words. Always proofread. Remember the standards of writing, the rubric, the parameters. I wish you all the best. See you tomorrow, guys, 9:40 a.m. on Saturday, classroom C135. Please bring your dictionaries, your paper dictionary. Paper dictionary. You can use it in writing only. Don't forget, when you insert your ID, you have to write the section number, then your ID. Thank you very much indeed. This is Dr. Muhammad Khalil Musa. If you need any help, I'll be around. Thank you and all the best. Bye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.